Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Question 7. Still we are discussing or checking your homework about sound waves, paper 3 for core candidates. A metal rail is 330 meter long and sound travels at a speed 5000 meter per second in metal, and this value, this numerical value, is realistic. You know already that sound travel faster in solids. Okay, calculate the time taken for a sound to travel the length of the rail. Okay, so you have to write down the equation that speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. Rearrange. Here you are calculating time, so time taken will be equal to distance divided by speed. Distance here, when you substitute, check that units are consistent. So you have here the distance is 330 meters, speed is 5000 meter per second, so units are consistent. So your answer is 0.066 seconds. You have 3 marks. You have to show your working, and you have to write the equation, substitute, and find your final answer. Please, again, guys, don't use this triangle. This will not be accepted as an answer. The second part, sound in air takes 1 second to travel 330 meters. As shown here, we have 2 persons. So you have here, hammer hits the rail. So this is the sound source. Okay, and you have here 2 persons. One, the one he is hitting the rail, and you have another man here. Sorry, you have here the person here, his right ear against the end of the rail. So this is the first one, and the second person, he is hitting the rail using hammer. Describe and explain. So you have to write here full answer. What happens for each man, the man with the hammer and the man with one ear against the rail? What happens? So you have to describe and explain your description. Let's start by the man with the hammer. The man with the hammer, he will hear the sound directly from the source. So he will hear the sound directly from the source to his ears. So you will write down that the man with the hammer hears only one sound. Hears one sound only, because I will explain, because he hears the sound instantly from the source, almost instantly from the source. The source here is the hammer hitting the rail. Man with one ear against the rail, this man, he will hear 2 sounds. So this man will hear 2 sounds. Guys, as usual in our questions, you think about second sound as an echo. No, Here, this is not the case. Not an echo here in this question. So please pay attention. We have here two sounds. Why? Because he will hear the first sound directly from the source, and the second sound will be here through the solid. So the second person will hear two sounds. Why? Because he hears the one through air, and he will hear the one through the solid. Which one is faster? As I said earlier in the beginning, at the beginning of the question, I said that the speed of sound in metal is faster than the speed of sound in air. Do you know why? Please tell me in the comments why the speed of sound in solids is faster and is more than speed of sound in liquids or speed of sound in air. Okay? And why speed of sound in liquids more than speed of sound in air? Please tell me in the comments below. So now the man with one ear against the rail will hear two sounds, two different sounds. And that's why this is because speed of sound in metal is faster than speed of sound in air. Okay, so he will hear sound through rail. I can write it in different way. So he hears sound through rail before sound through air. Is it clear?
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics blender. I love physics blender. I love physics blender.